This strawberry is banging, guys. I think it's the strawberry syrup in the bottom that really makes this hit. This is delicious. Yummy. Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. All right, so I have my lemons and my lime here that you can see. And it's best if you can to roll your lemons to get them soft like that. Here you see I have half a cup of sugar that I'm starting with. As you can see, I have my water here. There's 2 cups I have in this pot. Half a cup of sugar I have here I'm going to start with. If it is not sweet enough, you know me, I will add more, and then I'll add the remaining ingredients and get this all incorporated to make our ice cream float. Okay, I'm going to start out juicing 2 lime and 2 lemon. Taste it and see if I need to add any more. This thing's full of juice. Try not to spill all my juice. Just so you can see how much I've yielded so far. This is about 1/4 cup almost. So we'll keep going. Try not to waste the juice that's just freely flowing in there. So before I cut into my other lime, I want to go ahead and add this to my pot. Rinse my hands. Add this to my pot and see what it tastes like, because I may not even need it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my sugar so that it can dissolve. Add in my lemon lime juice. Alright, here we're going to add some ice cream. I'm using the best ice cream, which is my own. So you get, or you use whatever ice cream you consider to be your best. All right, I'm now going to go in. I'm going to go in now and add in my half a cup of lemonade. So if you can look down in there and see that I have blended this all together pretty well. And it took just about almost all of it. So I have just a little bit left. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of ice cream on top. And now I'm going to add some sparkling water to this. All right, I'm going to do another one, same process. The only difference is I'm using strawberries in this one. I have my strawberries in there, my ice cream, and my lemonade. Now, in the bottom of this glass, I'm going to add in a little bit of strawberry syrup that I have made. And if you would like to see how I made the strawberry syrup, I will list the link to the video of that that includes that recipe. So if you want to make you some, you can. There we go. You simply pour in your strawberry mixture. Just about all of it. I'm going to add a little bit of ice cream to it. Let me see if you can see that. Add some ice cream to this. Top it off. And then I'm going to go in with another sparkling ice water. This time I'm going to be using kiwi strawberry. Alright guys, here you go. These are our summertime treats because it is like 102 and 104 where I live. So something like this is sure to hit the spot. These sparkling ice water refreshers are really, really good to mix with your favorite ice cream and make a delightful beverage so that you can cool off during the summertime heat. I hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me today, watching how I did and put together this recipe. Let me know if you try it and how it works out for you. Until next time guys, I will see you again soon, Yah willing. Everyone stay safe, stay cool, and shalom.